If you've connected your Bose Soundlink Mini 2 to, for example, your phone, then you will be able to use your voice assistants on it, but only for limited things, because a lot of things you will need your phone unlocked for. But check this out. You have to hold down the multi-function button for a couple of seconds. You will hear one loud beep and a tiny little beep. Then you speak to it. And then after you speak, you can let go and it should answer. So, what time is it?
It's 13:01.
So did you hear it did one beep, then the second beep? That's when you speak. So let's do that again. What's 2 plus 2?
2 plus 2 comes to 4.
There we go. So you can have limited features when you do that, but it's quite nice that you can do that. Thanks for watching.